Alright, well, welcome to Kingfisher Outdoors. I'm Uncle Don. Today we are going to be unboxing. It's an unboxing of the Steel Tactical Tanto Machete. Now, Steel makes several machetes. I think there's 4 types of Tanto machetes. This is one of them, and we're going to cut it open. Before I do, I have 2 disclaimers. One of them, I do not claim to be an expert on any kind of blade, even though I've been using pocket knives and stuff since I was little. So for about 40 so years, I've been using knives and machetes and sling blades and bush axes and lawnmowers and weed eaters, all that kind of stuff. So I'm not saying I know everything, and I don't. I'm not an expert at all, but I'm not a complete idiot either. So we're going to be unboxing this. I have a couple of things to compare it to. I've got this old Gerber machete. I'm sure it has a model number, but it's got the saw on the back. This is very popular. I know you've seen this. This is in rough shape. Maybe I can do a restoration video one day. Probably not. This one used to belong to my dad. It's an old Kmart. This is an old Kmart thing from the 70s. It looks pretty decent. So we'll be comparing it to that. And then I don't have a whole lot of experience with cold steel except for this guy right here. Now this is the Cold Steel SRK fixed blade, and this is the clean one I have that I keep in my bug out bag. I keep this one in the bug out bag, but I want to tell you right now, if you need a knife like this, a fixed blade knife, or for a bug out bag or for camping or whatever, survival, this joker right here, you can look up all the videos of people beating the crap out of this with hammers, rocks, batoning. Look at Survival Lily, look at Gettin's Tactical. All right, so let's cut this joker open. Okay, right off the bat, before I noticed anything else, it looks shorter than I was thinking. I forgot my measuring tool. The blade says 13 inches. I'll get a close-up of this. It's called Tactical Tanto Machete. It says the blade is 13. The one I was looking at, it said 28. Maybe that's the overall length. Alright, let's get a brief impression of this. The sheath looks cheap plus, so not terrible. It has a little reinforced deal down here, made in China. Okay, we'll unsnap. Alright, it's got oil. Oh, this feels nice. It's thicker than what I was thinking. The blade's a little bit thicker than what I was thinking. And let's compare it to the Kmart special here. Maybe double the thickness, close to it, not quite maybe. And the old school Gerber. I guess it would have helped to knock all the sawdust off of there from my shop. Okay. 1055 carbon steel. Corex. The sheet is made out of something called Corex. Everybody's got their name for the different types of nylons, ballistic nylons. This was made in South Africa. It says it's clearly Cold Steel South Africa on the blade. The handle seems to be cord wrapped, synthetic, simulated. What's that kind of cord that starts with an S? Simulated? Yeah, so this is a plastic handle. It looks like it's mimicking this cord wrapped ninja swords. And all right, feels good. My hands are extra large in gloves, and this feels very good. Let's talk about that feels nice and sharp. Would you like to test the sharpness? I thought so. Let's check it out. We're going to cut a few things today, and I'm not going to go all hard on this, just to see how sharp it is. Before we do that, let's just try this. Okay, getting this. Okay. You get the idea. Reckon that'll do, boys? I think that will. Okay, regular hammer swing. Almost all the way through. Okay, we're gonna go all the way through this time. Y'all ready? That was probably 30% of my normal strength, maybe less. All right, let's try the watermelon Drea. Ready? Should I go hard or a little half speed? Let's do an end just so you can see. Just a little light chop. Okay. Okay. Now full bore, boys. You see the face of my lovely camera assistant. All right. Not too bad. Maybe messing with the dog. All right, come over here. We're just going to chop this little tree down. I had this volunteer holly tree at the base. It's probably an inch. I'm going to chop this other tree down too. All right, let me get a good swing. I'm going to try to see if I can one chop it. My standard machete tactic is to pull it to the side, get some pressure on my chopping area, get some stress so it chops easier. One chop. Okay. All right, cold steel Tanto Machete. Not too bad. One of my mottos in life is you're usually having the most fun when you're teaching or learning about something you know. So y'all stay curious and have a good time.